everybody. I don't need to figure out my intro. Namaste. So I'm stepping out today. This is my first. What is that bird doing? Is he upset? Is he upset? I'm just mocking. Not to mock myself, okay? So I'm stepping out for the first time this year. I mean, I visited the temple and stuff. Did I just give myself a headache? Ouch. So, yeah, we're gonna go out. I washed my hair today, which is, if you'll watch the last video, you know we were figuring that out, and we did. I've also tried this new thing where I do a coffee tea rinse after I wash my hair, and I think it's nice. It is giving a curls also a little bit of life. I also use the soap bar, the Shikakai soap bar. Usually I try to mix powders, but I got these organic soaps and shampoo bars and stuff, and it's actually really good. I think it's making my hair more. So I what is it? I think I'm sleepy, but I have to like get ready. So I have worked as a model for a bit, for a long time actually, and I've been fortunate enough to have people do my makeup. Why did I just say it like that? So I know some things. I do, even though I choose to ignore them sometimes. I'll tell you what happens actually. I know what works for my face, but then I used to watch these reels and YouTube videos and get influenced and think, oh, you know what, let me try this, let me try that. Let me tell you, if something works for you, just stick to it. Stick to it. So let me find let me get all the things I need in one place. The ingredients for this recipe. My hair is not completely dried yet. Okay, let me get the stuff 1 second. That was quick, a second for you all. So my holy grail is Nivea. I know it sounds odd. Primers are great, but I just think Nivea does the job. I've used primers, but I like Nivea. So I'm going to put a little bit on my face. I think I should get a mirror too, no? Yeah. Wait, I'll get it. So I'm going to apply I'm going to apply Nivea. So tell me one thing. When you get ready, do you like to do your makeup first or put your clothes on first? The clothes you're going to wear. I don't know, I prefer doing my makeup first. I feel also if I'm ready, then I just want to go out. Then I can't, no patience. But this work, you see, it already minimizes your pores and it moisturizes you. The thing with most primers is they're a little synthetic smelling. Does that make sense? I mean, this also has fragrance, but it works. This minimizes your pores. We're gonna let this sit. I'm gonna show you this other primer I usually like. I mean, all primers are good, honestly. Most of them are. You should figure out what type of skin you have and what works for you. Wait a second, I'll get the mirror and I'll try to find the other primer. I'm back. I'll be honest, I didn't try looking for the primer. I need lip balm, wait. So the lip balm I like applying before I do my makeup is Sugar. It's nice, it gives a nice pink tinge. So you have to add a lot of lipstick also, honestly. I need to pick it up. I picked it up, I got my tea. I love tea. I love herbal teas. Let me rephrase. I think I need to put my hair back. If you see, doing my makeup doesn't take time. It's everything else. I'll have to put my ear headband on. Wait. How are we doing our makeup before those things were invented? I know, I should have a bun. Okay. I make the funniest faces while doing everything. 1 second. I was editing my vlog today. The one I posted. Intense. So, I don't know if it's a secret or not, but I'll still let you all in on it. You know when sometimes you see makeup and you're like, this looks so nice, it's photographing so well. The best makeup you could ever use is Krylon. And that's what they use a lot of TV makeup. It's called TV makeup because honestly it was started off for covering tattoos and for scars and stuff. I could be wrong. So it's really good and you need very little bit quantity. So there's two types of palettes or two types of formulations. One is Derma and one is Supra. I don't know the difference. I think one is for oily, one is look into it. Okay. My favorites are Krylon, Too Faced. I use it as a concealer, as a color corrector. Elf is really good. Estee Lauder is good. YSL is really good. I mean, even L'Oreal and Maybelline are really, really good. Honestly, they are very good. Like, very good. I don't say ever when I have lipstick on because I'm like, look at my teeth. So the way I start my makeup is, I start with blush. This is from, you know, all my dabbas don't have dhakkans, so I don't know what's happening. This is Be the Change. But what are you, bro? Love Earth. Thank God. Okay. So now I'm gonna try this new thing I saw. Should I be trying new things? Okay, so I saw this new blush placement thing. Let's try it and trust the process. I usually just put it on my cheeks because then you add less of foundation and everything. And have fun with your makeup. Don't take it so seriously. Yeah. I know this looks a little off right now. I'm gonna trust the process. What have I done to my face? I'll tell you what I've done. So you do this. I saw the new placements are here. I'm gonna put foundation. It's gonna work out. Just have faith. Next step is I'm gonna take my. I think I'll do my eyes first. Should I have not started that off first? So for my eyes, what I'm gonna do is I saw this really nice thing that I forgot how to do now because I've not done my makeup in a while. So let me try to remember what it was. Okay, let me do my face first. What was it? First, I'm gonna do my face. We have to do this makeup in 5 minutes. It's a challenge. So I start with Too Faced. I'm gonna take very little bit, and you just put it wherever you feel like there's shadows, pigmentation, whatever. Yeah, and under my eyes a little bit. I'm honest to God telling you all to use less product. Seriously, in the middle, my makeup was quite off, and I was just wondering why is my makeup not looking good. I realized I was applying too much. I got carried away. Whenever I start using something new, even if it's tea or cocoa powder or makeup, what I do is my hand is a lot heavier as in I'll add a lot more than required. That's not the way to go, bro. Okay, good enough. Now foundation. So for the foundation today, I'm going to show you all Krylon. Krylon is amazing. I'm using, the thing is that I'm pretty sure I dropped this palette, and so this is, I want to show you how it looks on the inside because my palette's a mess. Okay, I'll show you all. This is what it looks like on the inside. It's like paints. It's so much fun. So you take a little bit of this and you just go at it. Apply it wherever you think it's needed. I like using this flat sponge, and then you just dab it. See, the blush is gone. And understand, less is more. सही बोल रहा है. जिसने भी बोला वो सही बोला. You saw someone honked also. Little bit of Monica by my side. Monica, did I know anyone? Monica was my brother's teacher in his school. Monica ma'am. What did I have on teacher? I don't know. Okay, so you add very little bit. I'm really applying very less. Why is it not? You all just have to trust me. Trust. And then you just add it wherever you think it's needed. I was just watching Maharaj on Netflix. Insane. Why am I so late to watching it? I also don't know. And then I have to fold this and just go ta 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 ta. Done. So our base is done. Now अब करेंगे आँखों की बारी. I don't think I'm going to silence so I can vlog in peace for the environment too. I mean that can't be normal amount of noise pollution, can it? Okay, next step, brows. Just brush them through. Should I do my eyes the way I learned it? I've done in the last few posts, pictures. The shoot I did in the red dress and the temple one. Maybe I should do it. I don't remember how I did it though. So the idea is, so especially for people who have hooded eyes, what you want to do is make your eyes look bigger. I don't know if I still have hooded eyes. I mean, I did. My eyes were way more hooded before. So what I'm going to do is, you take the, wait. हो गया. It's ironic how when I want to focus, I'll be quiet. But if anyone else wants to, I'm just like, why can't you just do it with the noise? I actually think I figured it out. So the whole idea is that you take I mean, if your hand is steady, you don't need these extra steps. But what you need to do is take a pencil, or liner, eyeliner, and eyeliner. This is by Lakme. Lakme is really good, honestly. Iconic. It's called Iconic. Kajal. So you take the kajal first, and then you decide how you want your liner to be. Honestly, don't copy people. Just do what works for your face. Then I take the NYX Professional Makeup Epic Ink Liner. Oh, why do this always does this to me? I just saw two parrots. It's lucky. Okay, open. And then you just darken that and you make the line a little sharper. Yeah. All I got you say. Next step is just let it be because you're done. Do you see what I've done? I made my eyes bigger. Why you're saying bigger the better? No. Next step is the white eyeliner. This one is by Glam. What? 6 Mars. Why did I say Glam? And I'm just gonna put it in the inner. Done. You can't see, but I've killed it. I know the outfit I'm wearing. I was booping while talking. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take a little bit of, not eyeshadow again, I'm gonna take my Sugar Contour Mini Bronzer. Look at the हालत bro, खत्म हो गया मैंने क्या कर दिया. But I'm not gonna let go of it till it's not over. And just contour my eyelids a little bit. And then the same thing I take and contour my cheeks, my nose. And you're done. This is what the eyes are looking like. So now what I have to do is I just have to pull this out. So what happened, it just gives like a nice shadowy thing. Of course you can fix it if it's not looking good, like in this case. So you're asking now, what did I learn that I was bragging about? Honestly, the tips I've given you all are gold. I don't realize it right now. But when you do your makeup, you'll understand, because I've learned this the hard way. Less is more. Samjhe? Do you like this side or this side? I think I like the one I just fixed. It's been 16 minutes. What am I doing? Okay, wait. Done. Now mascara. So you can use waterproof or non-waterproof. I have both because sometimes I want it to last, sometimes I don't. Brows done. Mascara. I'm going to use the waterproof one today because why not? And my favorite part is lips always. I just love lipstick. Now the one tip I can give you with mascara is wipe the excess off inside the tube and start from your roots and kind of spin the brush upward. Another tip is don't be scared if it comes on your face. If it is on your face, then you can just use a Q-tip or earbud or the spoolie and just scrape it off. Okay. Next step is lips. Now I'm just thinking, do I need highlighter? I could use highlighter, but honestly I like using my e.l.f. foundation as a highlighter. It really does bounce light off. I'll show you guys how. You're like, Neha, you didn't put any makeup on your neck. I love my neck. I do my skincare there, but I mean, guys, I'm just going out for a bit. It's not that. I don't know. I mean, makeup उतना लगाओगे जितना लगाओगे उतना निकालना होगा. That's always been my logic. Okay, done. Now I'm gonna put any eyeshadow because can't be bothered. And I'm gonna take some highlighter. Maybe my makeup used to look really good because I actually did it properly and gave her. Yeah. Okay, done. We're done. Ear on the bone, brow bone, and heavy. I need to get one thing. So I'm gonna wipe some of my gloss from before and just put it on my cheeks. I have to tell you one thing. Coconut oil works as a great highlighter. There was a time when I used to apply coconut oil and I've had so many makeup artists ask me, which highlighter is this? I'm like, it's oil, bro. So I'm gonna use some thermal spring water. I don't know, I prefer this over makeup fixer when I'm going out for a short period of time. When I'm going for a long period of time, if it's not, I mean, I like doing things that make it easier to take off my makeup. I think I'm going to show all this one lip product I love. Wait. So Earth Rhythm has these beautiful lip tints. They are so nice. This one is Pocket color. Ahoy there. You take very little bit. I'm going for not a red look today. Next time red. For sure. Do you all see it? It's like a nice. This makeup artist used it on me for a shoot and I was in love with it. And this is one of those times that I saw something a makeup artist used, got it, and it worked for me also. Because a lot of times what happens is I'll see something, I'll love it, and then I'll get it and I'll be like, why is this not doing what it did that day? Done. And now you just have to like wipe it off a little bit. Don't let it be too perfect, because perfection is not what any of us are after. No, I take the same product and put it on my cheek. Placement matters. I like mine a little bit here, lower, here. Done. Now I'll show you on my outfit. This is the hair for now. Makeup is done. Should we do the blush thing? On the sides they showed. It does make sense though, because it will bring color back to your face. So she put it on the sides here and here. Done. I'm gonna show you my outfit. So this is what I'm wearing with trousers, and I'm going to put this on the waist, not the waist, I'm thinking I'm going to put on my waist or my hips. I'm going to accessorize a little bit now, so let me figure that out. 1 second. I mean, this belt thing works on the waist also. It should have been a little more snug, or the hips, no accessories. So for the accessories, I'm thinking I should go oxidized, or I should add something more like a lavender or red. Hoops, I think we're over hoops, right? Hoops are done and dusted at this point. I have a lot of body chains, but I don't think this is a body chain-esque thing I'm doing. I think tiny lavender or pearls. Pearls could look classy. The thing with the earrings is I don't think it show with my hair. I'm not big on accessories. I want to be though. I want to be that girl that accessorizes now and then. See, it just doesn't make sense on me, I feel. Do you all understand what I'm saying with the hair? Body chain, I feel. Or I really love these jhumkas. Because how simple they are, they're a little Indian also. Do we like this? Great, go with lavender. Supposed to be my lucky color also. So this is today's makeup look. Let me know if you all liked it. If you didn't, it's my face, honestly. I mean, I hope it taught you something. Give you some tips. Tips and tricks and tips and tricks. Okay, done. My hair is drying now, so hopefully it will dry completely in a bit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.